Hello friends, welcome to Vedic Mathematics Sutras. Build and strengthen maths concepts. In this section, we will discuss time and distance. First of all, basic conversion between kilometers per hour and meters per second. Let us see. Time and distance in trains. Kilometer per hour multiplied by 5 by 18. We get meter per second. For example, 18 kilometers per hour, we get 18 into 5 by 18 is 5 meter per second. Meter per second multiplied by 18 by 5, we get kilometers per hour. For example, 5 meter per second, we get 5 into 18 by 5 is 18 kilometers per hour. Example concept trains. Crossing pole or standing person. Formula is time is equal to distance by speed. Here distance is train length. Speed is nothing but train speed. Let us do an example. Train moving at 72 kilometers per hour speed. 220 meters train length. What is the time taken to cross the pole? First, we need to convert kilometers per hour to meter per second. 72 kilometers per hour is 72 into 5 by 18 is 20 meter per second. Time taken to travel 220 divided by 20, that is 11 seconds. Let's do one more example. Pole crossed in 5 seconds at 54 kilometers per hour. What is length of train? 54 into 5 by 18 is 15 meter per second. So, length of train is 15 into 5 is 75 meters. Trains crossing a platform or tunnel. Here, distance traveled is length of trains plus length of tunnel. Speed is speed or velocity of train. As we already discussed, time is distance by speed. Let us do few examples. A train of length 250 meters, crossed platform of length is 200 meters at a speed of 54 kilometers per hour. What is the time taken to cross platform? First, distance is length of train plus platform, that is 250 plus 200 is 450 meters. Speed is 54 kilometers per hour converted to meter per second. So 54 into 5 by 18 is 15 meter per second. So time is 450 by 15 is 30 seconds. Next example, a train of length 500 meters crossed platform of length 100 meters at a speed of 36 kilometers per hour. What is the time taken to cross platform? First, distance is length of train plus platform, that is 500 plus 100 is 600 meters. Speed is 36 kilometers per hour is converted to meter per second. 36 into 5 by 18 is 10 meter per second. Time is 600 by 10 is 60 seconds. Look at another example. Length of train is 240 meters and platform is 300 meters. Train crossed platform in 36 seconds. What is the speed of train in kilometers per hour? First, distance is 240 plus 300 is 540 meters. Time is 36 seconds. We have to find out speed. Speed is distance by time is 540 meters by 36 seconds is 15 meter per second. So now we have to convert it to kilometers per hour. 15 meter per second into 18 by 5 is 54 kilometers per hour. Next example, length of train 300 meters and platform is 75 meters. Train crossed platform in 15 seconds. What is speed of train in kilometers per hour? First, distance is 300 plus 75 is 375 meters. Time 15 seconds. Speed is distance by time. 375 meters by 15 seconds is 25 meter per second. So now we have to convert to kilometers per hour. 25 meter per second into 18 by 5 is 90 kilometer per hour. Another example, a train of length 500 meters crossed a tunnel in 60 seconds at a speed of 36 km per hour. What is length of tunnel? Speed is 36 km per hour converted to meter per second. 36 into 5 by 18 is 10 meter per second. Time is 60 seconds. And distance is length of train plus tunnel. Length of train is 50. So calculate the tunnel. Here distance travelled is speed into time. 10 into 60 is 600 meters. So total distance is 600, out of which train is 500. So tunnel length is 600 minus 500 is 100 meters. One more example, a train of length 350 meters crossed a tunnel in 40 seconds at a speed of 54 kilometers per hour. What is the length of tunnel? Speed is 54 kilometers per hour is converted to meter per second. 54 into 5 by 18 is 15 meter per second. Time is 40 seconds. Distance is length of train plus tunnel. Length of train is 350. Let's calculate tunnel. Here distance travelled is speed into time. Speed is 15, time is 40. 15 into 40 is 600 meters. So total distance is 600, out of which train is 350. 600 minus 350 is 250 meters. Train crossing a moving person or vehicle. Here distance travelled is train distance or length. And here speed or velocity is relative speed. So first of all, what is relative speed? For example, while overtaking a bike even at 80 km per hour speed, you can talk to another rider, but think of it while just crossing in opposite direction. Next, to impossible. So relative speed when traveling opposite direction is speed 1 plus speed 2. Example, one bike traveling at 50 km per hour, another at 20 km per hour. So relative speed is 50 plus 20 is 70 km per hour. Relative speed when traveling in same direction, difference of two bikes are high speed minus low speed. For example, two bikes at 50 and 30 in same direction. Relative speed is 50 minus 30 is 20 km per hour. Now come back to topic. A train of length 500 meter traveling at 45 km per hour crossed a biker traveling at 36 km per hour. What's time taken to cross? Here distance is 500 meters. Relative speed 45 minus 36 km per hour is 9 km per hour is converted to meter per second. So 9 km per hour into 5 by 18 is 2.5 meter per second. Time is distance by speed. So 500 by 2.5 is 200 seconds or 3 minutes 20 seconds. A biker traveling at 70 kilometers per hour crossed a train in 20 seconds. Train speed is 52 kilometers per hour. What's length of train? Distance is length. So find length of train. Time is 20 seconds. Relative speed is 70 minus 52 is 18 kilometers per hour converted to meter per second. 18 into 5 by 18 is 5 meter per second. Distance is train length is speed into time. 20 into 5 is 100 meters. Two trains crossing or overtaking. Here, distance traveled is total length of trains. So, length of train 1 plus length of train 2. Speed or velocity is relative speed. We already discussed relative speed in trains concept 3. Link is in description. Let's jump into the topic with few examples. Train A of length 300 meters traveling at a speed of 72 kilometers per hour crossed a train B in opposite direction. Length of train B is 200 meters and speed is 18 kilometers per hour. What is time taken to cross? First, distance is 300 plus 200 is 500 meters. Speed opposite direction 72 kilometers per hour plus 18 kilometers per hour is 90 kilometers per hour. Converted to meter per second. 90 into 5 by 18 is 25 meter per second. Time is distance by speed is 500 by 25 is 20 seconds. Do some examples. Here, train A overtaking train B. What is time taken to cover? Train A length 522, speed 90 kilometers per hour. Train B length 538, speed 18 kilometers per hour. Now, distance is 522 plus 538 is 1060. Speed same direction 90 minus 18 is 72 kilometers per hour converted to meter per second. 72 into 5 by 18 is 20 meter per second. Time is distance by speed is 1060 by 20 is 53 seconds. Stay tuned to my channel for more example on this concept. Moreover, we are going to discuss many more concepts. Have a great day.